crafty friends, it's Teresa here with Not Too Shabby for day 3 of your sneak peeks, and I have the Paper Pad Club stamp and die and the ephemera and one of the paper pads. I have not received the other paper pad yet. It was kind of on a delay, so but it is gorgeous and you will love it. I think Jamie did show it to the channel members, so I'm sure she will have it to show tomorrow at the release party. So here is the stamp and die of the month, and it is called My Garden. And you've got the sentiment, love grows here, welcome to my garden, introverted but willing to discuss plants. And I love this one. Each day is a new beginning. Yours will come correctly. If you notice that one was spelled wrong, yours will come correctly because we had it fixed. So you have some branches and a birdhouse. You have 2 little tiny birds. You have some seed packets, a plant, another seed packet, some gardening tools, those 2, and then a little gardening carry-all thing, and then a pot of flowers, and then some more flowers. So that is what we have. And then we have the coordinating die. So stamp and die club, you can get the stamp and die. If you subscribe, it's 18%, and then you can get just the stamp, and if you subscribe you get an 18% discount. So great value there. Then we have the matching ephemera that goes with the paper pad, and I will insert a picture right here that shows you the all of the ephemera laid out. You'll see on the side over here, I have some ephemera laid out, so that's what I'm going to use in my project today. And then we have a walk in my garden. So this paper pad is muted tones, pink and green, and all the things that you would expect in a garden. So we have some beautiful flowers with, you know, some greenery on them on a dark green background. And then we have that same dark green as a solid on the back. Then we have a tone-on-tone leaf background, and it's so faint you can... Then we have that same tone-on-tone leaf background with some birdhouses with flowers on them. Then we have a little kind of a, you know, just a triangle pattern with all of the patterns in it. Then we have some faux glitter. That's a very light green. Then we have a tan with some stars all over it. Some fences. I couldn't think of what they were called. Fences on a diagonal. And then we have some polka dots, colored polka dots, all the colors in the patterns. And then a solid pink on the back of that. And then your pink faux glitter. And then another one with dark green with your pots on it. And then I'm thinking it repeats. Yep. And then it repeats. So beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Of course, I say that about all of the Not Too Shabby paper pads because I love them all. So we are going to do a mix today of ephemera, the paper pad, and the stamp. The stamp and the dies. So first, let's stamp out our stamp set. And I am probably, I know I am, because I don't do this very well in real time, and I don't do this very well on a voiceover explaining. I just don't. And so I am going to speed up the video and play some music, and I will catch you back. We are making a bookmark today. I need to continue on. If you're familiar with my channel, I have been making a bookmarks for my daughter, and I need to get on the ball with those. I'm kind of way behind with those, so that's what I'm gonna make. Okay, so here is my tag / bookmark. I did not use one bird and the birdhouse and the flower. I just felt like it had enough on it. So I put the fence down at the bottom. I put the birdhouse or one of the birds and the branch, and put love grows here. I put this flower up here. You saw me fiddling with the flower. I couldn't figure out where to put it. And I am sorry if the video seemed choppy. My camera kept cutting off and I had to keep restarting. So anyhow, so this is the tag / bookmark. I will put a white panel back here and put my daughter's name. So anyhow, that is it for today. Make sure you come back tomorrow for the live release party, and check out Jamie's day 1 and day 2 sneak peek, and I will have them linked down below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.